Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The tree went up yesterday and Blind Cat Christmas starts today. It's bare bones this year, there's no lights. William has a problem with ultrasound, which I'll cover in another video. Now the big cat here is Onslow. He's not one of mine, he comes in for his food. He's got one eye, so he fits right in. That's Dipper at the back. Dipper's nearly blind. Harry's in there, he's blind. And the cat on the wall is Smudgy, and she's also only got one eye. Smudgy is one of the mountain cats. And there's Harry in his favourite tree. Harry's got a few trees that he likes, but this is his favourite. For those of you that are new here, Harry's completely blind. Not that it stops him from doing whatever he wants. And he's great up a tree. He's not bad on ladders either. If you want to see him climbing ladders, watch the video called Harry is an Amazing Cat. Woody's in the garden. There's Woody. Woody's about a year old, just over. And although he's playful, he used to terrorise Harry when Harry first arrived. I wouldn't say Harry's wary of him, but he's not as free and easy with him as he is with, say, Dipper and William. Harry's got a great way of coming down a tree. You'll see it in a minute. And he sussed this one out from a very early age. There he goes. And I've seen him use that when he's gone too high up a tree, and he just turns his body round flat to the tree and he slides down and he uses his claws as brakes. Now that's William. William's blind. William and Dipper both go up the tree. They didn't go up this time. Although Dipper and William are best friends, sometimes Dipper antagonises William. And William doesn't always react at the time, but he'll do something later when you're least expecting it. He doesn't forget, where Dipper sometimes does, and when it happens, the look on Dipper's face is, well, what'd you do that for, William? They are comical. Now watch William with Woody. This is what I love to see. You've got a blind cat chasing a regular cat through the garden. Then you've got Harry following up behind. How often do you see a blind cat that's able to run through a garden? Or blind cats enjoying themselves like this? When people ask me why do I do it? I'll tell them about the videos. I love watching them. He does come back, so don't worry. So I hope you've all enjoyed this first of the Christmas Blind Cat Life videos, and as usual we will all see you again very soon.